So, I'm over here watching instructional videos. Karl was on my live feed. He got so pissed off, he had to come over and fix me.
He's an idiot.
I am an idiot. So
It's-
Karl
okay,
knows how to do it.
Look at this. This is really easy. They tell you, find the long side, right?
Okay.
We find the long side. So you find the long side. You find the corner. See the corner? There's a dart. Put your finger in the corner, okay?
All right.
Now go find the other corner on the long
Well,
side,
I couldn't
right?
find it in there.
Well, it's right there, okay? You'll
Where?
find
So
it with
you
your
can't
finger.
even find
No, it's
it.
right there. See, there's the corner.
Okay.
Okay, put the corners together and grab them.
Okay.
Fold them over. Get your hand out of there. See?
Is it going to take 30 seconds or longer?
No, it's not. It's going to take longer to tell you how to do it than do it.
Okay.
So get the damn sheet inside out, right? Because that's where it is. See, there's another corner here over here. There's a corner in every corner,
right?
right?
Here. Yeah, right.
Right. Okay. Okay. So you do the same thing at this end.
So you turn it inside out.
Well, it doesn't have to be inside out, but that's always usually the way it works. So you got a corner here, right?
Okay.
Okay. So you're doing the same thing. You find your corner. So we've got the two long sides
corners
together right here, right? See?
Oh yeah, something.
So
like
now
that.
we're going to get these two corners together.
Okay.
They're going to be right there. Poke your finger up in there. Find the two corners, because there's a corner.
Found the corners, then the corner.
Yeah, they'll kind of find each other if you shake it. See, so we got
He's
corners,
good.
right? Look at this. Got corners, fingers in the corners, right?
Okay.
Now bring the corners and match them up.
Roll
Flop
it.
them over.
Yeah.
Look at this.
You live alone, don't you?
Yeah, I do, yeah. But I did this for years. See, you got this nice square. Look at the square I got.
It's a
right there.
rectangle. It's a
It's
rectangle.
a rectangle, right?
No.
Lay it down.
There we go.
Fold it up.
Now that's how it looked in the video, but I couldn't get it that way.
Fold it over. Fold it over. All done.
How about that? Thanks,
There's a
Karl.
test at the end here, you know, Jay.
Gee whiz. Can anybody beat Karl? That's ridiculous. He drove all the way over here.
Just to tell him this.
And he
and
just
by the way, I did it in like twice, 3 times the time because I had to show him.